hours before 8:30. 2 hours before 8:30. Now the time is 8:30. Assume that now the time in the clock, in our clock or watch shows the time as 8:30. 2 hours before that. That is munne. 2 manikkurku munne. What is that time? Now it is 8:30. 2 hours before. That is how to find it. Now 8:30. Is it? Now before 1 hour. That is 7:30. Okay. Then before that 1 hour minus it. That is 6:30. Okay. 6:30. 6:30. There is no AM and PM. Okay. If they mention as 8:30 PM, what we will write here? PM. 8:30, 6:30 PM. Okay. 8:30 before 2. What is the time? 6:30. 8:30 PM. Before that, that is 6:30 PM. Okay. Now, see. Next one. Next is 3 hours before 1 PM. Here the time is mentioned PM. 1 hour. Now the time is 1 PM. 3 hours before. So the time is 1 PM. Okay. 3 hours before that. Before 3 hours minus 3. That is what is the time? You assume that. It is the clock. It shows the clock. It shows 1 hour, 1 o'clock. See here, the clock shows 1. Now the clock is showing 1. That's 1 PM. Before that, 1 hour. What is the time? Before that 1 hour, that is 12. Is it? Now it goes backward. 12. That is 12 noon. 12 noon. Then before that 1. That is, it will become 11. Now it is 12. Next is 11. 11. What is that? Noon. Before that, that is AM. Then also 1. Now it is 11 minus 1. 10. 10 AM. Now, okay. See here once again. 1 PM minus 1. That will shows 12 noon. Then minus 1. It will shows 11 AM. Then minus 1. It will shows 10 AM. Now the time is 10 AM. Okay. 3 hours before 1 PM is 10 AM. Understand this one? Next, third one. 4 hours after 3 PM. 4 hours after 3 PM. 4 hours after 3 PM. Now the time is 3. Okay, 3 even. Now the time is 3 o'clock evening after 3 hours, what 4 hours, what is the time? That is 3 p.m. Okay. After 4 o'clock, what is the time? That is after 1 o'clock, that is 4 p.m. Next. Now it is plus. After 1, 5 p.m. plus 1. After 1, that is 6 p.m. After 1 o'clock, that is 7 p.m. Now the time is, what is that? 7 p.m. Understand? Now the fourth one, 2 hours after 11 a.m. 2 hours after 11 a.m. The morning, that is 11 a.m. What is the time? 2 hours after 11 a.m. Now it is 11 a.m. Then add 1. 11 then 12. 12 is 12 o'clock. What we will mention? Noon. Is it? Midday. Noon. Then after that 1. That is, what is that? 30. 30 means 1. 1 o'clock. 1 p.m. That is 1 p.m. These are the way we can write the time. This is subtraction and addition in the hours. Like this way we can do the minute also. Understand? Then, now we can do 12 hours to 24 hours, conversion of 12 hours to 24 hours and 24 hours to 12 hours. How to find it? See here. First one, convert 12 hours to 24 hours. 12 hours to 24 hours. That is 12 hours will give, we should convert it into 24 hours. Okay. Then first question is convert 1 p.m. to convert 1 p.m. to 24 hours. You know, up to 12 noon, that is in AM there is no change. Okay. Then after AM, after noon, there is some changes to convert it into 24 hours. That is, the time is 1 p.m. Convert it into 24. 1 plus 12. 1 plus 12 hours. 1 plus 12 hours. That is 13. 13 hours. In 24 hours, there is no AM and no PM. We don't want to mention AM and PM. Converting 12 hours to 24 hours, there we don't want to mention any AM or PM. 1 PM is equal to 13 hours in a 24-hour clock. Understand? Then, sometimes they will give 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. is 12 hours. clock, 12-hour clock. Then we want to convert it into 24-hour clock. Okay. This is AM, 9:30 AM. How to mention that 9:30 AM into 24? That shows 9:30 hours. 9:30 hours. Okay? 9:30 AM is 9:30 hours. Before that, we want to write one zero. 9:30 hours. Now, third one. 11:15 PM. Now it is PM. Now it is PM. So, you can add how many hours? 12 hours. So, 11:15 plus 12 hours. In the PM only we went to add 12 hours. So, 11:15 plus 12 hours. That is 11:15, 12. That is 15. Then 23. That means 23:15 hours. 23:15 hours. Understand? Converting 12 hours to 24 hours clock. Now, we can take 24 hours to 12 hours clock. How to convert 24 hours clock to 12-hour clock? See. 24-hour to 12-hour clock. "24 hours to 12 hours clock." See, first one is 13 hours. Sometimes they will mention like this, 13:00 hours. This is also 13 hours. 13 hours. That how much we want to subtract? 12 hours we want to subtract. So, 13 minus 12. 13 minus 12. That is 1. Minus 12 means 1. 1. Not 1. Okay. 13 minus 12. 1. What is that? AM or PM? 1 PM. Next, second one. Second, 07 hours. 07 hours. That is, this one is the AM. So, 7 AM. 7 AM. Understand? Now, third one. What is the 16:15 hours. 16:15 hours to 12 o'clock. So, 16:15 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is what? 4. 4:15, that is PM. 4:15 PM. Just opposite to the previous one. Understand? These are the way to convert 24 hours to 12 hours and 12 hours to 24 hours. Okay. In your text workbook, the page number 24, there is a tabular column is there. Fill in the missing information. 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock. You can complete that one. Okay. In the 24-hour clock, the 24 hours, that is midnight, shows us 00. Okay. So complete your workbook. Watch the video and after that complete your textbook. There are some omissions are there that you don't want to study that. That means the month, year, that are omitted portions. Okay, in between these are the omitted portions. You don't want to study that. The others, other topics you should study. Okay, thank you students.